Simplify your project administration with easy-to-follow KPIs and smart automations that allow you to take back control of all your project administration. Grey Rhino IT Solutions introduces the Grey Rhino Project Administration app. Make informed business decisions by defining and tracking your KPIs and in-depth reporting using the embedded business intelligence tools. Transform data into insights and actions in minutes. Our game-changing dashboards provide easy tools to monitor your work in progress, outstandings, and project performance on multiple levels. Our modern and simplified user interface allows not only for easy use, but ensures everyone in your team knows what to do and when. Using a simplified operational dashboard, users gain live insights into their department's workload and relevant statuses. Each item can be clicked on to navigate to the applicable files for further action quickly. Next to files, we offer similar tailor-made interactive dashboards for sales invoicing. With our tool, it's effortless to track which invoice is on which status and who needs to take action. Digitize your vendor invoice administration as well by capturing all received vendor invoices through either manual uploads, email, or vendor upload portals. Our workflow mechanism kicks in to improve and accelerate your organization's review and approval flow by alerting users when new actions are needed. Our flexible platform can produce a variety of customized print layouts to match your needs, including sales invoice layouts, purchase orders, and work instructions. Tackle your Grey Rhino. Start your digital transformation today.